Okay, when calculating BMI, you have to get your weight. In my example is 139 pounds and the height is 61 inches. And the equation for doing so is weight over height times height multiplied by 703. So I'm just going to plug in those numbers and put 139 pounds over 61 times 61 times 703. And when you do 61 times 61 first, you're going to get 3,721, and you just bring down the same number down here. So when I divide these two numbers first, get numbers 0.037 times 703, and the final product comes out to 26.011. And based on these numbers, in order to be a healthy BMI, my number should be between 18.5 and 24.99, and overweight is 25 between 29.99. So I fall more into the overweight category based off of my numbers. Instead of using a tape measure, I'm just going to use this rope, and then I'm going to measure out my waist circumference, and I'm going to mark it off with a Sharpie, so then I'll just measure it out with a different tape measure that I do have. Okay, so I find the place between my hip and my rib, which is right around here, and I'm just going to bring it in here so that it's snug but not tight. My rib. Marker. Just gonna mark off right here where it meets. So with the use of this tape measure, I'm actually just going to measure out from the top right here. From the top, I'm going to measure all the way down here, and it comes out to 79 centimeters.
Okay? First, and then I hit a couple times, they let's go off. No, that's the no, still. They finish that story. But if they do something manually.
So to get the numbers down, for waist circumference, my hip measurements were 100 centimeters and waist was 79 centimeters.